press meet. And now in this press meet, our secretary, Mr. Suresh Kumar Sharma, our principal, Dr. Pawan Kumar Lenka, and our director, Professor Nirmal Chandra Kajadia, and myself, Dr. Emarmati, the Dean of this college. And also
that also we have planned by this should be inaugurated by our governor, honorable governor. We also we are planning to do that. We have also tried to felicitate some close associates of the institute who have spent a lot of time. In fact, who have served in the institute for a very long time. So that is also in the agenda.
Plus ଆମର କିଛି ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ସହିତ କ୍ଲୋଜ୍ ଆସୋସିଏଟ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ସେମାନେ ସେଥିର ଫେଲିସିଟି କରେ। ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ରହିଛି, କଲଚରାଲ୍ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ରହିଛି।